What's going on, growers? It's James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. It looks like today is going to be one of the last big harvests of summer veggies before the frost comes, because it's fast approaching. I wanted to bring you all along as we grab some food. Let's go!
There's things you need to hear, so turn off your tears and listen. Pain throws your heart to the ground. Love turns the whole thing around. No, it won't all go the way it should, but I know the heart of life is good. You know it's nothing new. Bad news never had good timing. But then the circle of your friends will defend the silver lining. Pain throws your heart to the ground. Love turns the whole thing around. No, it won't all go the way it should, but I know the heart of life is good. Your heart to the ground. Love turns the whole thing around. Fear is a friend who's misunderstood, but I know the heart of life is good. I know it's good. I know it's good.
Tooling country road.
Lord, I pray, let them be safe.
No turning back, I'm just a mile away from home.
Sit here waiting, let me be patient. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
you're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my every need.
I pray for light in times of darkness. What's meant to be will always be, though I control my destiny.
Free will you gave me, though you made me.
Be careful of the things you do, it eventually comes back to you.
Universal law, Babylon shall fall. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
you're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my every need.
I pray for wisdom and understanding. Destruction of civilizations past is consequence of forest fire.
Air we breathe, a gift from the trees.
What goes up must come back down, what goes around comes back around.
Things you do be done unto you. Sometimes it's hard to ease my mind to realize
You're always with me, waiting, willing
to hear my prayers, my hopes, my dreams, my
every need. I pray for peace in times of war. Universal law, Babylon shall fall. The things you do shall be done unto you.
I came home like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms. These days of dust, which we've known, will blow away with this new sun. And I'll kneel down, wait for now. And I'll kneel down, wait for now. So break my step and relent. Well, you forgave, and I won't forget. Know what we've seen in him with less. Now in some way shake the excess. Well as strong, use my head alongside my heart. So tame my flesh and fix my eyes, a tethered mind free from the lies. And I'll kneel.
That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if the audio was just a little bit off on this one. I'm having problems with the audio port on my camera, but I'll get that fixed real soon. No worries. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to check us out on Steam It. And I take a look at this and feel so thankful. Look at the colors and all this food this late into the season. This is why gardening truly is a hobby that pays off. You guys gotta get out there, get planting, get ready for next year. We'll see you real soon. Me and Tuck, you know, James Prigioni.